In a conditional probability problem, we have some extra information when compared with the regular probability problems that we've been doing. So for example, I roll a die and I record the number that I get. Given that I rolled an even number, what is the probability that I rolled a 2? So notice the extra information that we have here is that we know that the result is even. And then we want to know the probability that we get a 2. If we don't know that the result was even, if I just deleted this underlined part, we all know that there's 6 outcomes when I roll a die. They're all equally likely, so the probability would be 1/6. But it's not so simple in this case. Here we have some extra information. We know that the result is even. So then we can figure out the probability using that extra information. Before we do that, let me write some notation. So the way we write these conditional probabilities is we write the thing that we want the probability of. We want to know the probability that we roll a 2. Then we put a vertical line and we write the given. We write the extra information that we have. So we would read this as the probability that we roll a 2 given that we roll an even number. And now we can solve this one. So remember, when you roll a die, all the outcomes are equally likely. So I could get a 2, 4, or 6 if I know I rolled an even number. So there's 3 possible outcomes that are equally likely, and a 2 is just one of those 3 outcomes. So the probability that we roll a 2 given that we rolled an even number is 1/3.